Have you ever wondered how businesses build long-lasting relationships with their customers? It's no secret that the heart of a successful business lies in its ability to create meaningful connections with its audience. And a powerful tool in that arsenal is emotional marketing. But what does that entail? Here are some emotional marketing techniques that can help build those relationships that last. First up, show them that you know them. Nothing resonates more with an audience than feeling seen and understood. This requires research into the needs and desires of your target audience. When you discover something about your audience, reflect it back to them through your content and actions. Next, remember to treat them right. While attracting new clients is always exciting, don't forget about the ones you already have. Show your existing client base some love. Whether it's through discounts, special freebies, or exclusive benefits, make them feel valued. The third technique is to always be transparent and honest. This is how you build trust with your audience. Own up to your mistakes, be open about your views, and always be authentic. This honesty can endear you to your audience and make you appear more trustworthy. The fourth technique is to put people before numbers. In the quest for business growth, never forget that people are more important than numbers. By putting people first in your business, you'll find that you naturally improve your bottom line. Fifth, be fun when appropriate. Adding humor and fun to your posts, emails, and sales pages can show your audience that you're human too. No one wants to feel as if they're communicating with a robot. The sixth technique is to be responsive. Quick, effective responses to customer queries or problems are crucial in maintaining a positive relationship. Offer various ways for your audience to contact you, and always follow through on your communication promises. The seventh technique is to engage with your audience. Involve them in your decision-making processes. Ask for their advice or ideas. This not only makes them feel involved and important, but can also provide valuable insights for your business. Finally, consider the communication format. Understanding how your audience communicates in their environment is key. Be it online chats, instant messages, Twitter, blogs, or even in person, adapt to the method of communication your audience is using. To sum it all up, emotional marketing is all about building customer relationships that last. It's about forming a bond with the consumer that goes beyond the transactional. With these techniques, you can create connections that will not only boost your business, but also create a loyal customer base that will stick with you for years to come.